Okay, good day. This is trade review for the 10th of April. I haven't been doing the reviews a lot. I've had some, I've still been trading. I've had some good days and some bad days. Mostly pretty good days. I haven't had anything to complain about really. But the reason I wanted to do this review today, and was I finally got a break from looking at houses. My wife and I are looking at buying property in Australia, and so she's had me looking at that most of the time, so I haven't had much time to record my trade results, and I've only been trading the DAX live. I've been trading the Hang Seng on Sim because I'm trying a new way of executing trades. It's not a new method, it's still the same plays the way I use a VWAP and develop context for the day, but instead of using the chart trader, which is entering trades, as I get, like for example, here we break through here and I use a chart trader, I'll put a limit order up here. Well, instead of doing that, I'm actually using the depth, the jigsaw dome. So that's the way I've been practicing on the Hang Seng. And today's the first day that I've actually put it to use on the DAX. So it's about getting into, instead of taking four contracts right away, sometimes I'll take one or three and then get rid of a few, and then you're just sort of always working around a core position, if you like. And then you might flip it and get rid of them all and then go short. And basically that's what I did today. So today we opened and we pushed higher, and we come back here and we pulled back right on the open. So you can see that's 1500, which is a new open time for daylight savings. And I've gone long. And I've taken a couple off. You can sort of see here where I've taken off. Took one off there and then took the other one off here. And then we sort of popped up back up here again. And then I waited around and then I sold here. I sold here, bought one there, I sold another one there, and then sold another one here, and then I bought a couple back. So I just sort of muck it. This is the way you sort of muck it around, right? Just sort of in the market all the time, maintaining this core position. So yeah, I sold out of these ones here, and then I started to buy back here, here. And then I sold one there, and then sort of, I think that was a stop out there. And then, yeah, this one here was a sell there, and then this is a stop into this trade here. So I sold one there, and then this consolidated, and I sold another one here, and then all of a sudden, bang! It just got hammered, and I bought one back there, and then I was able to hang on to this one for the bulk of this move, and then bought it back here, and then that was pretty much my trading for the day. If you crunch this up, you can see that was the meat of the move there, and basically I think it was 166 points today, which is I think it's my biggest day on the DAX ever. So that was a good day. I was quite happy. Yeah, 166 points. You can see here. Over. Yeah, so we sort of mucked around here a bit. You can see I got a few points here. Then I lost one, lost a couple here, and then got a few here, and then got these big ones here. Was the last two contracts. But you can see that the reason I'm trying this out is because you start out with a smaller position, and basically, if I could just put it in the whole thing in a nutshell to explain what I'm trying to do, is I'm just trying to make sure I get the direction of the market right. So if I'm bullish, so say I'm over. Like if you look at, and you can use the VWAP for this quite easily. So if you're over the VWAP, which is the magenta line, right? And I'm still pushing up here. There's all kinds of pullbacks. Now these pullbacks just means that you're just buying when it's on sale, right? So the price is cheaper. So here's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to snag it here. Now, if it pushes through here, and so then I know, okay, things are changing. So then when it'll come back up, usually it'll come back up, then I'll get rid of them, and then I'll think about going short. So then I'll try, and these are all, I use these with limit offers on the DOM. So all I'm trying to do is get the market direction rough enough, right? And then I'm just trying to buy things on sale. And the reason I like doing this is because I hardly take any heat for it at all. So once I'm in, it's like, it's to the tick or a couple ticks away from the turning point. So that's what I'm after, because it's so easy to trade this way. And I just want to get in without, and not take any heat, and either the market goes in the direction I want, and I start to think about adding to it, or it goes the other way, and I don't trade with a stop, right? I can get out of my position with a hotkey anytime I want, I just have, I know where I'm going to be wrong. So if it comes back down here, then I'm going to be looking for it to give me a better price to get out. I just don't want to stop out. I want to stop out at a good price too. So that's what I've been practicing on the Hang Seng, and I've had some really great runs on the Hang Seng practicing this way on Sim. So that's why today I took it live on the DAX. And then eventually I'll take it live on it's not the Hang Seng I actually trade with, it's the HHI, but I do practice on the Hang Seng too, because it's got, and the reason I do that is because it's got a lot of these bigger moves, right? So this strategy sometimes isn't as easy to apply to a market that doesn't move that much, but these fast markets are really good, and today the DAX was just perfect for it. So and I'm going to do a video about how I work around these positions, and I'm 90% sure that this is what most of the prop guys do, except they're doing it with a lot larger size than I am. I mean, I only get up to, the most I sort of get up to is probably half a dozen contracts. So but the good thing is when things aren't going your way, you're just maintaining your small core position, and then when things are going your way, you can start to aggressively pyramid into that position. Every time it pulls back, you can add to it. I didn't do that on this decline here because honestly it happened so fast. I just didn't have a chance to do it. I mean, we started at it was nearly 1700, and that move ended 20 minutes later, so it was pretty quick. And then the market's gone back and snapped up just as quick again. So and then back down again. So it's been an incredible day. You can see that on the swing chart. There you go. I mean, these moves are nearly half the day's range, each one of these. So this is a sign that the intraday volatility is picking up. So this market is not very confident at the moment, I don't think, and is really searching for value. So I don't know what's going to happen, but nonetheless, it was a great day trading. That's all for now. Cheers.